How to install WordPress. In this lecture, I will show you how you must install WordPress. Well, now we're gonna install WordPress. So click on build a new WordPress site. Okay, select here your primary domain, the domain where you wanna install WordPress on. I'm gonna select a subdomain because I don't need a real domain for this tutorial. And I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna call this my new blog. My admin user is gonna be admin, and my first name is Gerald, and my last name is Field. My admin email geraldfielder.hotmail.com, and I will agree and hit install. Okay, this can take a while. Okay, WordPress is installed successfully. That's great. Now I'm gonna copy my password and I'm gonna hit the login button. So I'm gonna hit the login button again and I will wait. Okay, now you can log into WordPress. So you must type your domain /vp/login.php. This one. Okay. I'm gonna log in right now. Okay, welcome to your WordPress dashboard panel. That's great. You have successfully installed WordPress. We have successfully set up our domain. That's just great. So I hope I will see you soon.